Aquaponics is simply the combination of fish and plants. So that if the fish have their metabolism, they eat food and they eject their waste from their gills, and also a small amount of solid waste and urea, etc. But the majority of the waste is ammonia. You have the fish eating their food, living their life. The plants then take all the nutrients from the water, so that the water is returned in a clean and clear state for the fish. And it's a continuous cycle. Aquaponics the word comes from hydroponics and aquaculture. So combining the two, the problems of aquaculture are the solutions to hydroponics and vice versa. So you don't have to have the problem with hydroponics of wasting depleted nutrient mixes, and you don't have the problem of waste that you can't get rid of from aquaculture. So it's a nice way to have the problems of one system being the solution to another, and that way you've got the basis of a circular economy. That is a simple, small home aquaponics system. So somebody could have that inside their house, and you could feed your fish. These are all ornamental fish. In other aquaponics systems, they can be edible fish. But in that system, you can have ornamental fish, so the kids would love to see this whole system going on. They can learn a lot from that. It's a nice environment in the house, and you have these constant fresh herbs. So as long as you feed your fish, you have the fresh herbs there ready for the kitchen. You don't have the problem of herbs getting dried out or not fresh. They're as fresh as they can be, so it's a very nice addition. You have also the scents and the smells coming from the plants, and you've got the sounds and the senses coming from the water that the fish live in. So it's a home aquaponics system. It's not necessarily going to compete against any local products, because any local products that might be conflicted with that, if you can't grow a tuna fish in an aquaponic system, you grow it in the sea. So that's not a competition. But growing vegetables and herbs and so on, any agricultural farmers would quickly realise that if you're using 95 to 97% less water and producing up to 4 times as much crop per land area, they're perhaps going to consider upgrading their own operations, which would be a good snowball effect to get better sustainability. And Malta is in a perfect position to set a good example globally with something like that.